In this video, I want to share with you a new animal niche that is starting to trend and some free prompts to go along with it. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that new animal niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and Etsy. So today is Tuesday, April 8th, 6:37 a.m. in the morning. Sitting at one sale already for the day, almost $5 in royalties. Yesterday was a little bit of a slow day, 35 sales, $69 in royalties. But for the month, it's going pretty good. You know, past 7 days, we're 7 days in, $580. But for the month, well, that's actually what I'm at for the month. So 219 sales for the month and $580 in royalties. And let's go ahead and take a look at Etsy because I had a pretty good day on Etsy yesterday. So here we are for the month of April. And yesterday I did, let's go with sales. So I did 7 sales, sold a whole bunch of mugs and a couple t-shirts. And that got me $138 in revenue. Now that is not profit, that is revenue. You know, I profit probably around 40–45%. So if you do the math, maybe somewhere around, you know, $60, something like that. So pretty good day on Etsy. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, entrepreneur pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So the new animal niche that I have for you is the dire wolf. And the reason that this is trending is because they actually just brought this animal back from extinction. If we go to ChatGPT right here, we say, what is a dire wolf? It gives us a little information, but right here we're going to see that they disappeared around 10,000 years ago. And I actually found this niche just watching YouTube videos. So let's just go ahead and watch this real quick. I'll speed it up so it doesn't take too long, only about 30 seconds.
We turned out that remarkable scientific breakthrough 13,000 years after the last dire wolf walked the earth. Scientists say they've now brought them back. Here's our chief national correspondent, Matt Belton, with the video tonight.
Tonight, a howl 13,000 years in the making. In a first for science, biotech company Colossal Biosciences says it brought the extinct direwolf back to life, a species that hasn't walked the earth since the Stone Age.
The direwolf is the first extinct species.
Well known from HBO's hit show Game of Thrones. ABC News given.
Okay, so that is why it is trending. And I like this niche because first it's an animal niche. So, you know, when we think about like evergreen niches, we have like 4 main categories. We have food, animals, we have, you know, jobs and professions. Then we also have like sports and hobbies. Those are like the main ones. And, you know, I've been in all those evergreen niches, and by far the best 2 are going to be, for me, it's going to be careers and animals. You know, animals just sell very well. But the only problem with the animal niche is that the majority of them are already like very competitive. But this one is very low in competition because nobody really knows about this type of wolf. I never heard about this type of wolf until yesterday. So if we go to Productor and we go to product search, type in dire wolf, featured, click just on merch by Amazon shirts, we're going to see there's only 22 results for this niche right here. So check this out. We scroll up, just get my face out the way again. We're going to see 22 results, and Productor is actually fact checking that right here with us too. So only 22 results. Now this one right here was actually uploaded a year ago, and we can see that it's got pretty good BSR for an evergreen niche at $17.99. But there's actually been some people that probably saw this news and are jumping on this trend or niche as well. So if we scroll down right here, we're going to see shirts like these ones right here. So I believe this is the photo of the 2 ones that they brought back to life that were in that video that we just saw. We can see they were just uploaded, looks like yesterday, April 8th. And so there's a few of them, like the return, the dire wolf returns, 2 dire wolf returns ones, and the return of the dire wolf. So that is one option that you can do. So good niche right here, evergreen niche. And if we go to my school community, so I have a school community right here, and if I just get rid of this, so if we go to my school community, we go to the classroom. I have all these like resources, and right here I have these 30 proven animal phrases, and you actually get this for free when you sign up to my school community. But I just took like 3 of these animal phrases right here that are just very popular that I've seen sell with basically every animal niche. And I went ahead and I made a few designs onto ideogram. And so I'm actually going to go ahead and share those with you. Now I didn't make a Word file for these prompts because there's only 3 of them and I'm a little short on time this morning. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste those prompts and put them in the bottom of this description so that you can use them. But let's go ahead and take a look at them right here. And you can actually use these on templates. So if you have a certain animal phrase that works well for you, you know, maybe you want to do like the costume one, that, you know, there's a whole bunch. You can just basically use this as a template. So right here, we got this one right here, easily distracted by dire wolves. This is what the prompt looks like right here. It's at the top. So nice good prompt. These are my settings. I'm using the 3.0. If you're not using the 3.0 for ideogram, I think you're missing out. Really good designs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other one with the sunset. So right here, just a girl who loves dire wolves. Now this is by far probably the best animal phrase, you know, I've seen. It just works with almost every niche, every animal niche, even food niches as well, countries. But just a really good phrase for animals. So just a girl who loves dire wolves. Now you could also do just a boy as well, because there's a lot of boys that likes wolves also. And right here, this one, so dire wolf whisperer. It's kind of a cool one. I've just noticed, like, if you just put the word like whisper after like you know, an animal, whether, or like squad, that's another one, usually it has a good chance to sell. And also one other thing that I also want to mention is that there's actually a trademark for direwolf in the pop socket, or in the 009 electronics category. So if you upload to this niche, do not select pop sockets because there's a live trademark. Just go to t-shirts, and we can see that t-shirts are fine because these ones right here are using the direwolf keyword, and they're getting through, and they were just uploaded yesterday. Okay, so that is the new niche. It's an animal niche. It's an evergreen niche. It's very low in competition. We can see like this one right here has been doing well. It's trending. It's in the news right now. So I think this is a good one that can just, you know, we can add to our merch on demand portfolio. Because in my opinion, you want to have like evergreen niches, you want to have trending niches, and you want to have seasonal niches. You know, have like a diverse, you know, amount of designs in every type of niche. Okay, so let me go ahead and share with you my SKOOL community before I kind of get going for the day. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. And here I offer a niche service. So basically what you get is every day you get 4 niches, trending and evergreen. I'm just going to go to the niches for 2025 because that's where they all are, just so you kind of see what you get. And I'm just going to scroll down to, I'm just going to pick some random one right here. So 9 days ago, I made this post sharing with you 4 niches. And so right here, we're going to see what they look like. And the way that I have it set up is I give you the niche right here. I give you a link to the niche so that you can see that this niche is actually selling and converting. And you also get a prompt to the niche as well. And so here are what they look like. So now you can actually just go ahead and download these if you wanted. So dear world, we are sorry, love Saint American. So like this is a political one. And then here we have a, this is an evergreen one. So just a boy who loves, I can't even say that, dance a lotto. Here we got another trending political one, Vive la Resistance. And then here is going to be another one with, this is actually going to be a seasonal one for Easter, because we got Easter coming up, and we also have 420. It's on the same day, so some bunnies too lit to hunt eggs. So if you're struggling with merch on demand and you're looking for a niche service, consider joining my SKOOL community. You also get access to my classroom section, where I have so many resources. I continue to add on this almost on a daily basis. It's basically like a little merch on demand course right here, but you get resources like this 30 proven animal phrases, food phrases, career phrases, all my prompts for the months that are coming up. And so, you know, I'll be adding to this as well as we get into the summer. But then you get access to all my GPTs. So this will actually write your listing for you, brand, title, bullet 1, bullet 2, description. I also have GPTs for Etsy. Then I also have these GPTs for actual specific niches. If you want more information, you can just go and watch this video in the About Me section. It talks about who this is for. Basically, it's for merch on demand sellers, Etsy sellers, and even for KDP sellers as well now too. Because I just added in a coloring page GPT. So if you're interested, check it out. It is only 80 cents a day or $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. I got 44 people so far, and I've actually been getting some good results here from some members. Like this person right here said the sales performance in March 25 was the highest so far this year, and almost all of the sales came from your niches. I hope the sales will continue to grow every month from now on. Thank you so much. Okay, so that was pretty cool. So you can see some of my members are getting some good success. So like I said, if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content for you guys on YouTube. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.